In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use Siri on lock screen on iPhone 12. So if you have an iPhone 12, either the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to use Siri on lock screen such that when your iPhone screen is locked, you can easily say, "Hey Siri, what's the time? Hey Siri," just communicate with Siri, ask Siri to dial any contact on your iPhone with screen locked. Then this video is going to show you the step-by-step approach on how you can easily use Siri on lock screen on your iPhone 12. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to start with and use Siri on lock screen on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate Siri and search and click on that. If you are still using iOS 17 version, but if you're using iOS 18, just click on Siri. And then on this page, locate allow Siri when locked. With this function, you'll be able to use Siri on your iPhone even when the screen is locked. Then enable this. Then you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone 12 passcode. Just go ahead and type in the passcode to activate allow Siri when locked. Once that's activated, you can just go back to your iPhone screen. Then whenever your iPhone is locked and you want to use Siri on lock screen on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is say, "Hey Siri, is today cloudy?"
Yes, it will be cloudy today.
"Hey Siri, please can you find my route from here to Egbeda?"
Okay, I found this on the web for I want to. Hey Siri, please can you find my route from here to Abbey? Check it out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You see that? So while my iPhone 12 screen is locked, I am trying to use Siri with the screen locked. So that's exactly how you can easily use Siri on lock screen on iPhone 12. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.